Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, get down and get straight to the point. Have a wonderful veteran. He has a Kia Optima, and we're doing a diagnostic. We want to make sure that nothing is misfiring. I have this diagnostic machine right here, which will be in the description. And you can go to our store and actually purchase this. This is bi-directional. We can test things, program things, etc., etc. Anyway, the point of the video is we want to see if his Kia is misfiring. So what we did is we're going to go backwards. I'm going to show you how I did this. You go to live data. The data is considered PIDs, which is the sensors on the car. So it's established communication. I can also see that his alternator is working just fine. So it has a lot of PIDs, and I don't feel like going through 200 something sensors. So what I do is I come up in this corner and I just type on misfire. It saves you a lot of time. Okay, so it has different ways of looking at the misfire. This is for the Cadillac converter. We don't care nothing about that. All we care about is the one that's irrelevant to what we're doing today. He has a 4-cylinder engine, so it's only 4. So you select, show. The car is already running. As you can see, the RPM is moving. So the car is already running. I'm going to put my foot on the gas, give it some gas, and see if the numbers change. A little bit of change in the numbers is normal. But if you have a whole bunch of numbers like 1 to 100 and 300, 400, 5 and more, you need to get that looked at real quick. So I'm gonna hit the gas, and you can see it's still at 0. One of the ways that we do, if there was a misfire, we will transfer the coil, say from number 1 to number 3, where it depends on where it is. And if the misfire transfers, and you know it's an ignition coil. When this particular case, this gentleman is not misfiring in any shape, form, or way. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you find any value to this video in any shape, form, or way, hit that super thanks button. What we do is we put the money that you donate to us, and we help the misfortunate who can't afford all the repairs. We also offer financing to the labor for those who qualify. Also, if you want to see our videos before anybody else, hit that join button, and you get priority over everybody, comments, and everything else, including the videos. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.